Hello guys, I hope you're okay. Let's start our presentation. I just want to share with you today how the market went and our analysis plus what the possible opportunities are. Uh, this is BTC chart. We don't need that. So we go to our gold chart. Right. As you can see that market went to this level and market was back. And as I mentioned, because Dixie was going up, sorry, Dixie was going down at that moment of time. And the gold went down. As you can see, there's a very good movement. Let me make this 1 hour and you'll see even better. There's a huge movement in gold because Dixie was going to the upside. When Dixie was going, and then before Dixie was going down and gold was going up, as you can see. And then opposite happened. Dixie went up, gold came down. Now what's happening? Dixie is coming down. The gold should go up. Well, as you can see. This is how the market runs. But the thing is, it's not always work correctly as 100%. It's not that it always moves with Dixie. It gives you a good indication. So always keep an eye on levels, what levels we are at, and how the market can go at according to levels. So this was our level. We were expecting market to go up from here because this level was broken. However, this is a strong 1 hour candle, as you can see. It's cancelled out the effect of this previous candle here. And the market went opposite direction. Why? Because there's a huge buying in Dixie. So if there is a huge movement, as you can see here, such a big movement will most likely affect, I would say probably 90 to 100% will affect the gold. However, if it's a short-term movement, 1 minute to 5 minutes, or probably even 10 minutes, it may not affect. So you have to always keep that in mind, how the Dixie effect, as I mentioned in the previous video as well. Now, one more thing I want to share with you. You can see that this was high for Asian session. This was a low for Asian session. And then we had this London low as well. So London low, and this was London high. So let me make this a different color. So Tokyo high, Tokyo low, Tokyo high, London low, London high. So what happened here? The London high was broken, and probably everybody thought the market will go to the upside. Let's analyze in shorter time frame. London high was broken. And because it was a market gave how many pips? Nearly 40 pips. There are a lot of pips. However, because the movement in Dixie, we expected downward movement because the Dixie went up at this moment of time. What happened? Market broke in. It basically it grabbed the liquidity from London high. That's what usually market does. Let's make a note of that. But if the liquidity grab at a high of a session, a low of a session is very common. So make sure you remember that. So that was a liquidity grab. Even some traders definitely make some money, some people from here to here. However, if they were wise traders, they knew this was a high, they probably took come out quickly after making from some pips. And then as soon as the market made a 15-minute candle, there are even some people may take a risk on 5-minute candle, but I probably 15 minutes is better, I would say. There's no hard and fast rule. However, if it's a volatile market, probably 30-minute or 1 hour is better. But anyway, there's no hard and fast rule. However, the when market went down, 15-minute break into the zone here, then we took a sell trade and we took a profit here because it was in fact we could have taken profit here rather than leaving it till last minute. We took a profit here, and when it broke this level, looking at the Dixie movement as well, we took a short trade, and you don't have to hold all the trade for such a long time. You can just take few pips with a larger lot, and once you have done that, you can take a short trade on a pullback and keep it running, considering the movement of Dixie as well as the movement of gold and any patterns or any indications you have to put in mind that you must consider those as well, because one probability is not always enough. You have to look at the market scenario, you build up your own scenario, how the market runs. As I mentioned previously, so that was what happening here. And that's it. I hope it's really helpful for you guys. And now gold is coming down, but it's possibility it will go up from here. This is a rejection point in 1 hour. So it's possibility it will go up to this side. Depending on the movement of the Dixie as well. Dixie is looks like gonna come down. But anyway, yeah, it looks like come down. So let's see what happened. Okay. Some people may be interested in BTC as well. So let's give it. I won't take much time on that. So let's take a brief look. This is a level here. Market is currently testing this level, and this is another level. If it's broken, we can expect movement up to here and then here, and these are the levels. However, this movement is this level must be broken before the movement to the upside. And if this is broken, as you can see, we have different scenarios here, and we can expect different levels. So I won't go much in detail. It's just a game of levels. You have to see the candlestick pattern and go in a shorter time frame, and then take the trade accordingly. So as you can see in a weekly time frame, that how the market is moving. So it's really possible that the market go up to here, either come down or break it, retest it, and shoot to the upside. So that was a brief overview of the BTC as well. I hope this is helpful, and you have a good day. Good night. Thank you very much. Bye bye.